Cheh, when this gas will get over, 12 never came to know. Oh God, is there no solution for this?
Why are you so upset? If you call God, is He going to give you a cylinder? Why are you so surprised? For the gas getting over in accidents, you should not call God. You should be responsible for it. Did you see the newspaper today?
In this busy world, how is it possible to check all the things?
You're absolutely right. I know that it's not possible to remember and check things. But for this problem, there is a solution.
What solution?
Oriens has introduced gas safety device, a device which safeguards our life.
In what way does it provide safety to us?
I'll explain to you. This is called gas safety device, the defense shield for your kitchen. It protects and safeguards our life from fire accidents. This gas safety device can be fixed like our normal regulator. Then the regulator has to be fixed on top of it. Now the meter is 0. After this, we have to switch on the 2 knobs. Then the meter has to be pressed twice. Automatically the gas will flow into the stove. After pressing, if you see the meter, gas quantity in the cylinder can be measured with its help. Normally, from the cylinder, 640 pounds of pressure is released. Normal regulator will convert it into 320 pounds and then release it to the stove. But when we fix this gas safety device, you will see that it reduces the gas into 160 pounds and saves fuel. With its help, the gas, which normally we get for 30 days, now it will definitely come for 40 days. Normally, after lighting the stove, we keep milk or food and then forget about it. So milk boils and falls and stove gets switched off. After this gets off like this, if we are using the normal regulator, the gas will leak out, and after it leaks out, and as the gas is heavier than the air, it spreads and surrounds the floor of the room completely. And you see, during this time, if we switch on the light or if we switch on the stove, the chances of fire accidents are much more. But you will notice when we use our gas safety device, there are absolutely no chance at all of such a fire accident happening. Now you see, I light this matchstick and take it to all over the place. But you too must have noticed that there is no fire anywhere. Only when we go near the burner, it lights. So you see, this is our gas safety device's speciality. Sometimes when we have kept the vessel on the stove, we have to look after our kids or busy doing some other chore. During that time, in this tube, if you notice, if cut or crack happens, then automatically gas will leak and spread throughout the room, and it may lead to some major fire accidents. And the good thing is that when you have Oriens gas safety device, these kind of things won't happen. See it for yourself. You saw? That's all. Automatically, within 5 to 10 minutes, this amazing device completely cuts off the gas flow. Now you see, while cooking, the gas is on and our kids might pull off the tube, or suddenly like this, the tube might get cut off. Then automatically with this device, the stove gets switched off. Wonderful, no? So now you have noticed that the stove got off. Same way, if you see the meter needle, it has reached the 0, that is the end point. And now during this time, if you notice, normally when the tube gets cut off or any damage to the tube, gas would have leaked out, and now if we switch on the stove, a major fire accident might take place. That is what we think. But you can see it right in front of you. I am showing the fire and nothing has happened. You all know this is because of gas safety device. Wherever there is any leakage of gas, see how fast the gas safety device cuts it off. I will show it to you. So you noticed? That's all. Within a short time, the device cuts it off. Besides this, if any accident happens, for your assurance, 2 crore insurance is there. 3 years guarantee and 30 years lifetime. What more safety do you need? Orience GST, a safety device to safeguard your life.